See 2 eviction cases where officers get a weird surprise. This man who claims he's God racks up $100 bond. But first, see this woman who immediately turns into a screaming Karen.
Come on, let's go.
Hey, I'm trying.
Yeah.
I am trying. And you know what? I'm not going to take no slack because you guys bully me every single time.
Yeah.
He has been beating the shit out of me.
Yeah.
I have put one finger on him, and there's no reason why you guys will never arrest him. He gets away with beating the crap out of me all the time. He's kicked this stuff over numerous times.
Where's the marks on you?
He grabs me by my hair and punches me in my head. Take me to the hospital. Take me to the hospital.
You need to go to the camper.
And I'm getting my things.
Come on.
I'm telling you right now, if this goes bad in my favor, I'm getting a lawyer.
Well, we need to go to the camper.
I'm getting out of the camper.
Are y'all like exes or been?
Yeah, y'all dealt with.
I ain't standing here all day, so we're gonna have to hurry it up. I ain't doing this.
I'm telling you guys right now.
Nah, I'm telling you right now, I'm not staying here all day.
I've not broke no law.
Yeah,
I have not broke no law.
Yeah, well, we're gonna hurry it up.
Well, you know what? I'm getting all my stuff.
Well, then we're gonna hurry it up.
Well, you're gonna not touch my stuff.
I'm not.
Now, Billy, this is not over. I have 12,000 pictures and videos.
Weren't y'all broke up for a long time?
Yeah. No, he just likes to lie and cheat and screw other women. I promise you, you're going to jail.
Okay.
He's a woman beater, and you guys let him off all the
Stop
time.
talking and get your
I
clothes.
can talk.
No,
It's called
you keep
freedom
yelling.
of speech.
You keep yelling. We're going to jail. So.
I can yell. It's called freedom of speech.
No, ma'am.
Yes, sir.
No.
Arrest me for yelling, and I'm coming after you and your badge.
Keep yelling. You're going to go to jail.
I'm not letting you guys push me around no more. You can take me to jail. I'm getting out, and then I'm coming after you.
Good.
I promise you, son. I promise you.
What are you promising?
Because let me tell you something.
Okay.
You might think that I'm very
Okay.
crazy.
What are you promising? What are you promising this young man over here?
That I'm going to show him I'm not crazy or lying. I'm telling the truth.
Okay, well stop talking and just load
I am
yourself
doing
up.
it, but I can talk because it's my right. I can actually yell if I want to. That's a right of mine too.
Okay, you do that, and then we'll go down another route.
But I'm not being aggressive to you. I'm talking in a manner that you personally don't like, and that's not against the law. I'm just upsetting you.
Is that your daughter? Goodness.
Because I'm not letting you.
Get the stuff and go.
Hey, you know, we are. I mean, you're talking to yourself.
You're talking
Because
and
there's
you're just.
nothing you can do to me. You're not moving fast enough for you. I have rights.
Go.
Him and my landlords and everybody in Bethlehem, Arkansas has broke every civil right I have, and I'm coming.
Stop.
Don't tell me to stop.
She's about to go to jail. Do you want to go to jail? Is that what you're wanting? Is that what you're wanting? Stop.
Daughter's gotta go too.
Yeah.
Black my face all up. Nothing was done to him then.
Stop talking.
I'm not going to stop.
Okay, you're going to jail. Yep. Get out of the car. 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 Yep. You're going to jail.
No.
Yep. Get out of the car.
Damn it. What'd you do?
Mouthing off.
Get out of the car. Get out of the car.
Damn it.
Get out of the car.
Bust it.
I don't have my. Get out of the car. I'm gonna break the window.
Why?
Get out of the car. You are going to jail. You're going to jail.
For what?
You're going to jail.
For what?
Failure to obey a police officer, disorderly conduct. You're going to jail. You're going to jail.
You want to open the door? Or I'm gonna break the window.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Open the door.
Thanks a lot, Billy. You guys, seriously,
Come on.
please.
Come on. Let's go. Turn around.
Do not.
Turn around. Turn around. Turn around.
I'm getting you, Billy. I swear to God to you, now you're definitely not getting away with what you've done to my life. You know it, your dad knows it, your sister knows it, Vicky knows it, and these police officers are fixing to know it too. You are going...
Stop. Stop. Stop.
You need to stop manhandling somebody for no reason.
Stop.
Good for you, Billy. You sound like you're a real man. You are a real man. You beat the shit out of me in there and you know it. You know it. You have always beat the shit out of me. And I'm coming after this Mountain Home Police Department too.
Let's go.
Hey, please. Shut my door.
Let's go.
Shut my door, please. Shut my door.
Right there. Why are you making this so difficult?
Because he beats me. You guys just keep letting him get away with it. He beats me and he treats me so bad. It hurts my heart. It hurts my heart to see that he keeps getting away with it. I hate him.
Here, sit right here.
I hate him.
Just sit right.
I hate him.
I locked it off.
Why is he in my car?
He's not in your car.
I mean, he can search it. There's nothing in it, but please lock it because they get... Look, dude, please listen to me, sir. Sir, please listen to me.
No, well, I'm done listening because you...
Sir, you never have listened to me to begin with.
You crossed that bridge a long time ago.
So, was there any fighting or anything going on?
Man, I didn't put my hands on her. She's flipped out, man. I don't know. I mean, I wasn't trying to push some charges on her. She kicked the fucking hole in my goddamn door. $18,000 camper, purchased from my pops.
Okay.
You know.
So, if I have you fill out a statement saying that, we'll give her another charge.
Well, I don't really want. I mean, I'm not trying to be mean.
No,
to her.
she's already got charges going. So, if she's damaged your camper and it's your camper, I mean, she's already going to jail.
What's she getting charged with right now?
Disorderly conduct, failure to obey a police officer, and probably refusal to submit to arrest.
I'm not going to file a charge. Like I said, I didn't want her to get charged in the first place. I just want her to leave, man.
I understand.
You know what? I'm done with this violating my civil rights stuff. I mean, what is wrong with you men around here? You treat women the way that you do.
All right.
Look at my knee. Yeah, that's called a bruise from that man.
It is a bruise.
It's against the law.
It is a bruise.
I got a whole bunch more. I did not hit him. I'm going to jail for a man beating me.
I already told you what you're going to jail for.
Yeah, I'm going to jail because I didn't stop talking when you told me to, because you're taking me to jail and manhandling me after that man just beat me.
That's against the law.
Heather was charged with disobeying a police officer, terroristic threatening, disorderly conduct, and resisting arrest. She is innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
James.
Hey, James.
Police department, come out here.
Yeah,
Come out here.
okay, I'm God.
Okay. Hello.
Hey, how y'all doing?
Good, how are you?
All right.
What's going on tonight?
Oh, not much, y'all. Hey, how you doing?
I'm doing okay.
How you doing?
I'm alright, how are you?
Shake hands.
I do fist bumps.
Fist bumps, that's all right. You remember President Fist Bump Saudi Arabia?
No idea what that is, man. Sorry.
Okay, well, all I'm saying, and anybody disagrees,
What's the name on your driver's license?
Jesse, James.
Let's just stay out here. I got it.
I got my wallet right here. Don't be bossing me around, mister.
We'll stay out here. I don't want you going in there.
That's what I'm saying. You don't tell me what to do.
Alright.
I tell you what to fucking do.
I don't think that's how that works.
But
Hey, what's your
you don't.
Jesse.
I'm God. You
James.
better put your faith in me.
James, what's your soch, bud? Yeah, don't be doing that.
Joe, you did that
Okay,
again.
go ahead and hit me.
James, what's
Say
your
I ain't
step back?
God. Say I ain't
James,
God.
Step back.
What's your soch? Don't do that. Put your hands behind your back.
I'm God.
Mine is for 121. We're fighting one. James, let go.
No, I'm God.
I'm on the ground. I got the legs.
All right, would you please, honey?
I mean, if you go to the ground,
You're hurting me.
go to the ground.
You're hurting me.
Go to the ground. Got that one? No, not yet. He's got a grip on it. Hold on. There we go. Got it? Yep. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand. Give me your other hand.
Okay, good.
All right, there you go.
Okay. Okay. I'm just God.
Jesus, these
Oh, that hurts. Hey, I got.
relax.
Okay. Oh, y'all really hurt me.
You made your bed. You're gonna sleep in it.
I know.
Damn, these fucking cuffs are as tiny as shit.
Oh.
There we go. And we're gonna have you sit up. Roll over.
I'm on medication, man.
Roll on your side. Roll on your side. Kick your leg up. Knees up. James, stick your legs up. All right. 21. We got one. See.
Oh,
There we go.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you all. I love you. He hurt me. He hurt God.
131.
He don't think I'm God. Don't hit me no more.
We didn't hit you at all.
Oh, yeah. What
You
did
hit
my
me.
hand? I didn't hit you.
Yeah, you did.
You whine on me. Say I got.
Step back.
Don't.
I didn't hit him. He's lying.
You stay sitting right there.
Okay. Boy, you're real strong, man, ain't you? They hurt me. Mr. Policeman, they hurt me. He said I tried to heal him. I didn't try to heal him. And I believe I'm God.
No, you're not.
Go in there and check my room.
Am I allowed to go in and check
Yes, sir. Yes, officer.
it? Okay.
I've been up to Indian Mound 3 or 4 times. I got my wallet. It's got some $100 bills in there. Go ahead and get you one. You want a $100 bill for being a big hero? Give him a $100 bill for being a big hero.
Get on the cruiser.
We got all kinds
Stand
of
up.
money. I can't stand up.
Yes, you can. I know you can. You were just standing up.
Oh,
There you go. See? We're good. Stand up. There's a medic on the way. Relax. James.
Oh, you're hurting me.
You're God. You can walk.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
He split the seat, didn't he?
He said I'm God.
There you go.
Okay, thank you very much.
God walks across the seat, didn't he?
Yeah, amen.
Perfect. Walk like him.
This way I walked up to Indian Mountain.
Cool.
And I'm God.
All right, walk downstairs.
Don't push me down the stairs.
I'm trying to walk you down the stairs so you don't fall. So you don't fall.
Either in the street or in the jail that speaks Russian.
Russian?
Yeah, part of the Russian mob.
Do you speak Russian?
Now I know Donald Trump does, and I got a machine gun. They don't like Donald Trump. They don't think I should have a machine gun. I'm not from Granbury, Texas.
Stay right here.
I know the governor. I'm God.
Lean up against the car. Put your chest against the car.
Okay.
Chest against the car.
Okay.
Don't come off of it. Spread your feet.
All right, I'll spread my feet.
Perfect. Dude just shoved the slider. Oh, he just slapped me. Did he slap you? I didn't even see that. Oh.
No.
He walked up on me and I pushed him.
Right.
Have a seat.
Tell him I'll be back and don't steal none of my money. I'm God.
Started asking him, top asked for his ID. He walked back in the room to go get it. I told him to come back out, yelling that he's God and I can't tell him what to do. And he comes out and he starts.
You leave my fucking cigarettes alone. I'm God.
I got his BO on my arm though. I'm about to shower now.
Yeah. Hey, don't be stealing my shit. They're a bunch of thieves. Every fucking thing I got better be in my fucking room. I'll let you little motherfuckers know something else. I know Donald Trump personally.
We'll see if I can calm him down. We're gonna walk him in. To the front? He'll be alright. I just tell him he's God. He's fine once we told him he's God. He's like, oh, you're right, I am God. I was like, okay. Alright then.
All right, thank you.
You walk out this way for me? Thank you.
Oh, yeah.
Ooh, careful now.
Tell you the truth, officer, I've just been believing that God raised the body of Christ from the dead.
Good.
Yeah.
We're gonna walk this way.
Yeah.
And then
I'm
after we
over
get
that,
after we get to the end of the sidewalk right here, we're gonna turn right around.
Yeah, I'm gonna call my lawyer.
Okay.
This suspect,
James, aka Dodd, was charged with assault, obstructing, and resisting, totaling a bond of a whopping $100, which is likely a result of an extensive prior criminal history. On a serious note, we hope he gets the mental help he needs. He is innocent, unless proven guilty in a court of law.